Hello, welcome to our master closet where my husband's things are very nice and organized, and mine are a big old jumble mess because who knows? Foolishness. But today, we're taking care of that. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Christy, and I make content centered around realizing that no matter where we are in life, no matter our age, we are just on time to live the life of our dreams. We are in week 2 of our 7-week reset. If you haven't seen any of the videos, go and check out the playlist below. We have free resources that you can be able to use to support your journey toward making 2024 the best year ever. We are still in the process of letting go of things and people and mindsets that no longer serve us so that we can make space for what does. Now, I already told y'all, I am not taking any of this foolishness into the new year, so let's go get this closet taken care of. But let me first make some coffee. Actually, I changed my mind. We're gonna have a glass of bubbly, which makes a lovely decluttering treat.
You notice every one of these videos, there's some bubbly.
Whatever. One thing about me is that when something clicks, I can no longer ignore it, and I see how it's impacted me in every single area of my life, including my confidence. Okay, let's do this. You see the before. I am so looking forward to the after. I look at all of this stuff and I'm like,
I don't have anything to wear. What am I supposed to wear? I don't have anything.
and then we have this stuff up here that needs to be sorted and that needs to be organized. That, I'm hoping we get that right today. Yeah, we're gonna work on it. So first I'm gonna need to take all of these clothes down so I can organize them. I need to see what I have. I need to see what I want, what I don't want, and just get everything in order. A couple of months ago, the need to declutter and get rid of extra and unnecessary stuff hit me like a Mack truck. And since then, I've been focusing on some extreme decluttering of things I was holding onto, but that have needed to go for a long time. You'll hear me say it a lot. How we clean our homes and the process of cleaning itself so often reflects our lives. How we're feeling in a moment, how we're feeling about ourselves, how we think, and what mindsets we've allowed to take root. For me, decluttering is a deep clean. It's going beyond the surface of the things that we see and deals with the things that we hide and keep tucked away.
We know what this is.
It says it's purses.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Another.
So just...
Talk it out. Tell them. Tell them.
To be fair, we moved and I don't know.
Okay, we had 2 full households worth of stuff when we got married and did not get rid of anything when we got married. We just brought the 2 houses together.
Yeah. Decluttering is dealing with the things nobody would ever know if they only knew us on a surface level. The things we should have dealt with a long time ago, but have allowed to sit, collect, get bigger, and get to a place that feels overwhelming and frustrating.
Whip yourself. Whip yourself. These are testers from when you were in the mall smelling Joe Malone.
This purse is clean though.
Small victories.
Small wins. In my last video, I talked about letting go of the supporting character mindset and being the main character in our lives by taking charge of our lives. Being a main character is about having confidence and valuing ourselves. I'm trying to do that in every area of my life, and I realized that this clutter was something that I just had not taken charge of. Holding on to things that don't fit instead of just upgrading my wardrobe and buying stuff that does. Holding on to things that I save for special occasions without realizing I deserve to treat myself like a queen every single day. To be honest, this is an area where I haven't taken care of myself. So I've been working to change that by telling myself that every day is a special day and using what I've gotten for myself. This starts with knowing what I have, where it is, being able to easily access it, but then also understanding why I do this. For me, it's been the save it for later mindset.
Crap. We gotta choose the crap wisely.
Choose the crap wisely.
The save it for later mindset has held me back from enjoying parts of my life now. It means that on a deeper level, I felt that either I'm not enough right now or that there's not enough of it for me to enjoy now and have or get more later. That, oh, I'll just save it for later mentality translates into deeper issues of confidence and abundance mindset. Don't get me wrong, I love a good plan for the future. But being a main character means that we also have to appreciate and honor the now.
Alrighty, so I whittled things down to the things that I am keeping. You saw all of that. It was so much stuff, but these are things that I'm keeping. And then there are some other things that I am getting rid of, that I am donating. Some really good things that I've been holding on to for a while. Like, I can wear that. I'll get into it one day. I really like it, blah, blah, blah. But nothing has ever happened with it. So it's just time to let it go. I want to organize things in a way where I have my blazers in one area, my pants, my this, my that. If I can color coordinate it, if I can color coordinate it, that would be awesome. But I don't know if we're gonna get all there. But if we can, we'll do that. We gotta take a break, and we will cut back to this in a little bit.
Time out.
Alrighty, we're back. So my hubby had to leave, and I'm looking around at this stuff. I put it all on the bed and on the floor pretty intentionally so that it would mean I'd have to get it today. Instant regret, like, oh my goodness, I'm over it. But you know what? We're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it, and I'm gonna feel so good once it's done. But yeah, I'm really quite ready for it to be done.
It hit me that those hidden things don't allow me to line up what's happening in my physical space with where I am and where I've worked to level up in my mindset.
I'm seeing some of these sweaters that actually need to go in a different closet. I'm not gonna keep them in my main closet. So I think I might put that out there to make a little bit more room in here. And these wire hangers, ugh, gotta get rid of all of those wire hangers.
What's wire hangers doing in this closet?
This is the other space for my shirts, my sweater. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. For my skirts and pants and sweaters and all of that good stuff. So I just moved a few of them over here. And I think what I'm doing in the other room is just leaving most of my work attire, my church stuff, blazers, dresses, shirts, those types of things. That way it gives me a little bit more space as I am continuing to purge. I just did a full-on purge of this like not too long ago, a month ago. Yeah, a month ago when we were in my 30-day throwaway. But I think we're gonna have to go through it again, but not today. Not today.
Tucking away moisturizer, cologne, face mask, hair products, clothes, and whatever else that I should be using and enjoying now, putting them in the back of a closet or a bin because today isn't a special enough day to use it. Or holding on to things, especially clothes, that when I look at them, tell me you're not enough in this area.
This closet organization is not doing exactly what I wanted to do, so I've just decided to ensure that all the hangers are exactly how they need to be. So I've color coordinated, and we'll see how it looks in a bit, but I've color coordinated, and all of the hangers are now going to be this. I've taken out any hanger that does not fit with this, and we're just switching them all over now.
So to bring it all in harmony, things either need to be on display and easily accessible, or it needs to go. And yes, there are some exceptions, but we're not having unruly closets and dressers and pretty bins full of exceptions. At times when going through the process, things look worse than they were when they first started. More messy, more difficult to deal with, and you wonder if it's worth it. That's when it's important to remember that loving yourself is a balance between doing what we enjoy now and doing the things that are good for us in the future, the version of us that we are actively working to become. So we have to be willing to go through the hard and the difficult and the tiring and the challenging things that are going to benefit us in the long run. So that's where I am. Striking that balance between present me and future me, getting rid of the things that I don't want, using the things that I have, and making room to receive all of the blessings God has for my future. So we finally got this closet in a good space. Remember the before? It was foolishness. This makes me so excited because this feels so much better. There are still things that I want to do, but I am absolutely loving it. Now, my only decision is which space do I tackle next?